Today, we are bringing you some surprising and positive news about US economy. Hello and welcome to Times XP. I am Dhriti Athri. Now, despite high interest rate, the United States economy grew by 2.8% in the second quarter, which is actually double of 1.4% growth rate from January to March. Now, this significant growth is mainly due to increased consumer spending and inventory building. In fact, the Department of Commerce has reported on Thursday that the economy grew by 2.8%, which is actually better than the expected 2% growth and higher than 1.4% growth from January to March. Now, personal consumption expenditure, which make up about 70% of the GDP, increased by 2.3%, that is up 0.8 points from the previous quarter. Then spending on business structure, equipment and intellectual property products also increased by 0.8 points to 5.2%. Investment in industrial construction and equipment has dropped by 1.4%, and that is the big change from 16% increase in the previous quarter. The latest statistics shows that personal spending has helped the US economy grow really strongly, except for the housing investment, which was affected by high interest rate. Meanwhile, President Joe Biden has praised economy strength in the statement that he said that he is still more to do in the last 6 months in the White House. Biden also supported Vice President Kamala Harris after deciding not to run 2024 elections. He said that the Vice President and I will keep fighting for America's future. Now, even with strong economic growth, the outlook for the rest of the year is really uncertain. The labor market is slowing down, which may affect the wage increase. Adding to this, saving rate is lower than before the pandemic, and economists believe that most of the Fed rate hike are yet to have an impact. Additionally, slowing revenue for the state and local government could reduce the spending. Now, the last point is that there are concerns that new tariff might be introduced if former President Donald Trump wins the presidential elections in November. Now, this could lead businesses to Russian import. Now, despite of all these worries, thanks to the God, a recession is not expected and monetary policy is expected to ease this year. The unexpected 2.8% growth in the US economy is a positive sign that recovery is under the way. With slowing inflation and improving job markets, there's hope for continued prosperity. Stay tuned to Times XP for more updates on this and for other US-based news.